This question looks a bit difficult to solve without using calculators. However, it can be easily solved by using basic mathematical rules. As we can see here, this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equals to a minus b multiply a plus b. Here a is 178 and b is 160. So this equation simplified to square root bracket 178 minus 160 multiply bracket 178 plus 160. This is further simplified to square root 178 minus 160 is 18 multiply 17 16 330 plus 8 is 338. After multiplication of this equation simplified to 18 8 is 144, 14 remaining, 18 3 54 plus 14 68, 6 remaining, 18 3 54 plus 6 is 60. So now we have to find the square root of 6084. In the first pair, the minimum square that fits into is 7 by 7, that is 49. As 8 into 8 will be higher, 64. So 60 minus 49 is 11, 84 comes from here. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now divide these three numbers. 14 into 8 is 112. So 8 comes here and 8 comes here. 8 multiplied by 148. So this comes 4811. So the square root of 6084 is 78. So 78 is the answer for this problem.